Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can blur your image using the Photoroom app. So I would go first and foremost to the Google Play Store app. So and you search for the app Photoroom. So I can see I already have the app on my phone. So it's saying that we should update. So I'll wait to update it and then would go straight ahead to business. It's almost done. So you can, if you come scroll down here, you see more about the app. I can see that you can design with AI, you can remove background, you can edit photos, you can retouch image, you can create logos, and so on and so forth. So going over here, you can see you can create a AI background, you can remove background, you can edit so much. Some of most of it is free, but you can also opt for the paid one. But for what we'll be doing today, we don't need that. So now it has updated. Now I'll open. I will go straight ahead to our app. So you just click on start from photo. As you can see, start from photo. So we'll bring in this image. Bring this image. This one we downloaded. So um let's just do the background, confirm. So let's see, blur. So you can see here photo editing classics. You can see over here photo editing classics. Then you can see here blur. So let's click on that. We'll click on it. So you can see go over to background and okay, no. So rather go over here. Then you see you let me still go back so you see where I clicked blur. Then you come over to layers, as you can see. Then you go over to background. So here you can choose to blur your background. So as you can see, it's already blurred. You can see. So now you select the kind of blur effect you want to add and the extent. So you can see now the first one is the bokeh. So now you can, as you can see, check which which blur effect you want to add depending on the project you have at hand. So you can also check this Gaussian. Like I said, check depending if you want to blur it totally, you can increase it to the highest. It just depends on what you want to do. You can also see motion. This one is a little bit different. Yes, you can see that motion. So you increase it or reduce it depending on the kind of project you want to do. Then the hexagon. This one is quite well, like I say, depends on what you're doing. But I think the most ideal ones, especially if you're just starting, you can use bokeh, you can use Gaussian, and you can use motion. So let's say we use motion now, and we click on done. So now we've been able to what blur our image. All you need to do is export it, then it's saving. And the beauty of this Photoroom app is with the recent updates, it saves automatically to your phone and is stored on the Photoroom app. The only thing is for a limited time. However, that's that for blurring image. It won't take your time, so just in case you're thinking of doing this. So with that, we come to the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our tutorial next time.